And other interesting question is here. 5 minus 7 will be equal to minus 2 times 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 times minus 2 will be equal to minus minus plus together 4. So it would be plus 4, which is wrong. This question can be solved by using PEMDAS. What is PEMDAS? First of all, we have to solve parentheses. This bracket is called parentheses. So 5 minus 7 will be, there is no change, times 5 minus 7 as it is in the parentheses. So first of all, we will solve 5 minus 7 which will be equal to minus 2. Now, according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division will be covered. So minus 7 multiplied by minus 2 will be solved. 5 minus 7 times minus 2. Minus minus will be equal to plus, and 7 2s are 14. So 5 plus 14 will be equal to 19, which will be our answer. Thank you.